The Olympic Games are here. Let's join in on the fun and make a medal. The supplies you'll need are a paper roll, glue, ribbon, a pencil, scissors, a paper plate, orange paper, and blue, green, red, yellow, and black paint. Begin by cutting the round center of the paper plate. Use this circle to draw a second circle on the orange paper. And cut it out. Next, take your paper roll and cut it into 5 rings. Next, we'll take each ring and dip it into the paint to create the Olympic rings. This one didn't come out too straight, so I redid it. Next, take your ribbon and fold it in half. Make sure it's long enough to go over your head. This one's about 16 inches on each side. Cut the end of the ribbon. Glue both ends to the paper in a V shape. The last step is to glue both sides together. And this is the final result. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more happy crafts.